Good morning, boys and girls. This week we start a new unit, Unit 6, at the Outdoor Center. Now, the name of this outdoor center kind of sounds like you would go to a building, but outdoors. But in the class book, outdoor center means a place that you would go for hiking, maybe. Like in Bratislava, we have Železná studnička. So this unit is going to be talking about all the fun things we can see when we go outside in nature. It is very important for us to go outside and enjoy nature and get some sunshine and some fresh air. There are lots of pretty things that we can see in nature, and you can see some of these things in our vocabulary words on classbook page 62. We are going to go to that classbook page now to learn the new vocabulary words and also to do our listening activities together in the video. Okay, so we're going to go there now. Okay, so this is a PowerPoint of the new vocabulary words. So we are doing Unit 6 at the Outdoor Center, and they are the same pictures that are in your class book. I just made them bigger. So we have cave, hill, waterfall, rock, or we can sometimes say boulder is usually for a very big rock, and island. This is a wood, sometimes we can call it a forest. And this through the middle here is a path. Okay, so next we're going to go to our class book, page 62. And you can see here, like I said before, this is the outdoor center, and it's a little bit confusing because when we hear the word center, it feels like it should be a building, like a sports center, but class book page means that the outdoor center is actually an area where they can go dogs. So we're going to listen to them about the map. And remember, the way this listening goes is you need to say what number they are talking about. So I'll play it for you now, and you can say the numbers at home.
Listening 25. Activity 2. Listen and say the number.
Let's look at the map of the centre.
There are 3 hills.
Yes, they're quite small.
Are there any caves?
Yes, there are.
Great. I love caves.
What's this? It's a cliff.
A cliff? I want to climb it.
Me too.
Is there a wood?
Yes, here. Look.
Where?
Here.
Look, there's an island. Fantastic. Can we swim to the island? Yes, we can.
Look at those rocks.
Wow, they're enormous.
I want to climb the rocks.
And there's a waterfall.
A waterfall. I love waterfalls.
Let's go and take a photo.
Where's the path?
The path? Look, it's over there.
Okay, it's a race. Ready, steady, go!
Great, okay. And the next part is exercise 3. I would like you guys to have this prepared for our online classes, and we will talk about the answers there. You can use the picture to help you to answer the questions, and you need to answer with the full sentences. So maybe write it in your exercise book because you don't have space here. And after that is exercise 4. We are going to do this one in class because it is a speaking exercise. Next, we will talk about page 63. And these words all here should be review. Many of them were in your third grade book, but we're going to listen to the listening anyway so that we can practice how to say them. So repeat after the words.
Listening 27. Activity 1. Listen and say the number.
Beach, bridge, climb, make a picnic, swim in a lake, sleep in a tent, mountain, bat, watch television, do gymnastics, play football, river.
Okay, and what I need you to do is just write the number beside the word right here, and we will talk about the answers in our online classes. And here, we are not going to do the listening. There is a listening icon here, but we're not going to do it. You just need to read the paragraph and fill in the missing sentence using the picture. Okay, and there are 3 missing sentences. The sentences are up here, and we will talk about the answers in our online classes. This section we're going to skip this time. Okay, so we'll talk about this one maybe later when we have more time. That is all for the class book. For homework this week, can you please write for me and Mr. Matthew 5 sentences about some things that you see in nature? Maybe they were things that you saw when you were on some trip in a different country, and I would like you to try to use the vocabulary words that we learned on class book page 52. To practice speaking, we are going to have a voluntary activity to use Flipgrid, and I will put the code for Flipgrid here. And you can go to Flipgrid and record a very small video where you can tell us about some of the things that you have seen, and you can practice using our new vocabulary words in your video. And I will be putting a video of a trip that I took to Croatia, which in Slovak I think is Chorvatsko. And I went to this beautiful outdoor center called the Plitvice Lakes. So if you go to Flipgrid, you will see my video about the Plitvice Lakes. Have a great week, and remember to get outside and get some exercise and fresh air and enjoy nature. Thank you and goodbye.